Nessa Sunshine here with another Norvina palette tutorial. Just show you the eye look here and that's it. So let's get into the... Oh, first, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. Use the Anastasia A10. This is the Love shadow. I'm taking Love directly in the center of the eyelid above the crease, blending it back and forth in swiper motion. Keep adding it all above the crease. Blend it up in circular motions toward the brow bone. Add more of that Love color into the outer corner. I'm blending it out, blending it up in circular motions. That is that. Now what I'm going to do is take the Anastasia A25 brush, and this is Wild Child. Start to apply it directly to the center of the eyelid. I'm patting it and then I'm moving in swiper motions, patting it, moving in swiper motions, moving it in toward the eyelid and bring it up a bit. And I'm going to spray it. Now that I've sprayed it, I have more intensification. See, like, ooh, there's more intensification happening. Adding more of Wild Child. Bring it in toward the inner of the lid. The Anastasia A14 is just a pencil brush, and I'm taking that into Dreamer. Go ahead and spray that, building it up in the inner corner. And now I'm going to take it onto the inner corner of the eyelid. Now that I have that on, I'm going to curl my eyelash. This is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. Put on that. These are the Lashylicious Lustylicious Lash, okay? I've used them before. Where did it go? So I'm gonna pop these on. This is what it will kind of look like, just so you can see. I love wispy, fabulous lashes. That's kind of what it's gonna look like. It's quite a dramatic difference, but I really like this lash. I'm gonna pop that on, and I'll be right back. And voila, there is a face. So all I'm going to basically do is take Volatile and Dreamer. I'm taking the BH Cosmetic number 8 brush into Volatile, pushing this on the lower lash line, on the outer lower lash line. I'll take that color Dreamer and the Anastasia A14 brush, pop it in that inner corner. Here, this is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. I put it on earlier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Well, this here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. So if you do want more looks with this palette, let me know, and I'll put some here and there. And if you don't, let me know too. Let me know if you want to see more looks with other palettes. If you want more soft glam looks, I haven't done a look with soft glam in a long time. And this palette is so perfect. And if you have soft glam and Norvina, oh my gosh, we could do a look. Like, we can create something magical. So if you have both palettes, that's another option. So that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you guys soon. Of course, if you liked this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Why not? @nessachicas_. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Bye now.